What's up guys, RB here, and today we're going to be using Filmora 13 to create the perfect introduction video to your presentation or to your product launch. Has this ever happened to you? Lecturers, bosses, teachers, only 2 hours due for your assignment. Oh no, what do? We can't create a perfect introduction video, or can we? Let's find out.
Alright guys, so what you want to do is open up your Filmora, and the first thing we need to do is to try and get some stock media. So as you can see, there's heaps of categories, but I'm going to check out some of the partners, so in pixels, and I'm going to type in, let's just say surfing, okay? So let's pick out a couple of nice surfing videos. I have actually sped it up here just a little bit. You know, there's heaps of really high quality footage that you can get in there, okay? Just a bit of editing, cut some of the size out. Now, we're going to be using the new feature, the VFX text, okay? Now, these are super cool. They're actually animated, kind of cool little titles for your video, okay? So I'm going to alter up mine, change some of the text. I'm just going to call it something, I don't know, random, let's say, chill surfboards, okay? So like a product launch. Chill surfboards, because I'm unimaginative. Okay, now I'll speed it up here a little bit so we can just edit the text. Okay, put it in the right spots. All right, that's looking pretty good. Let's have a see. Excellent. Those VFX text looks amazing. Okay, that's going to really make our project stand out. Hey, the next step we need to do, I think we need some music for our channel. Okay, so let's go into audio. All right. And let's find some of the thousands of music available in their stock audio. Okay, so I'm just going to type in chill music. Now I picked one earlier today, so let's just chuck it into our project and adjust some of the volume, cut it out a little bit with a little bit of a fade out at the end. Awesome, about 10 seconds. Fantastic. All right, that's going to look awesome. Now, here's the best part. Creating a compound clip. I've selected all of my clips and music and titles, and I'm just going to create a compound clip. Now, all of them are in the one clip now, okay? Now I'm going to save this as a custom compound clip, and that's going to actually just leave that into my library. So as you can see, I've got my intro video, exit video, and now my surfing compound clip. So that's a really good place, and I'm a little bit particular with my organization of my media, so it's right there, ready to go, and I can actually replicate this if I need to. So without further ado, let's check out this clip. The ocean is a place of peace and tranquility. It's where you can escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life and find a sense of calm. The waves are a force of nature that can't be tamed. They're unpredictable, yet exhilarating. They can be gentle and soothing, or powerful and awe-inspiring. But no matter what, they always leave you feeling alive. Surfing is a feeling like no other. It's a rush of adrenaline that takes over your body and mind. It's a moment of pure joy and freedom, where nothing else matters but the present. It's a dance with the ocean. A connection with nature that can't be replicated. It's about feeling the power of the water beneath you and harnessing that energy to create something beautiful. At Chill Surfboards, we understand the importance of quality equipment. So what are you waiting for? Catch that wave.
And there you have it folks, an awesome introduction video to your presentation or product launch using Filmora. That's all from me today. See you next time.